welcome. Here's something I want to share with you today. Escape to the sun, CAPTIVA Island. That's where we are right now. We're in CAPTIVA Island in South Seas Island Resort at a Bayside Villa, 1 bedroom, 2 bath, 4220. This property has been completely renovated, this condo. It is a 1 bedroom, 2 bath. They have extended the kitchen so you have a breakfast bar, Silestone. It has stainless steel appliances, shiplap is the backsplash. Along the hallway, they have the wainscoting, crown molding. It has that coastal feel. We're on the coastline, so why not get that coastal feel? Then when you go into the master bath, they have a wall, floor to ceiling actually, floor to ceiling tile with this walk-in shower. The proximity of this condo is at the south end of the resort. So a short stroll to the beach, the village of CAPTIVA with the restaurants and shopping and so forth. Bayside Villas in itself, they have their own pool, they have a jacuzzi, they have underbuilding parking, they have owner storage, and their location. This overlooks the waterway. You are looking to the small boat basin, down the channel, and to the open waterway. And what will you get? You will get sunrises. Let's go have a look.